This video is entitled Maintenance, Assembly File, Utility Menu, Delete a Range of Assemblies. The Delete Range of Assemblies utility was created to aid in the realignment of assemblies within the table. It is normally used in conjunction with the Copy Range of Assemblies utility to move items from one location in the table to another. When you click on the menu option, it will display a form that contains a field where you will enter the assembly number where you will start deleting from, and a field representing the last assembly that will be deleted. So you would enter the start number in the first start number field, the end number in the end number field, and you would click OK to continue the operation or cancel to stop the operation. You can enter the same number for the start and end number to delete a single assembly. Deleting an assembly is a permanent operation and cannot be undone, so use it with caution. This concludes the Maintenance Utility Menu Delete a Range of Assemblies video.